So this is another venture that I'm looking to try out this year. I think it's a situation where the tour industry is booming, in my opinion, in my city, in my state. So I think it's something that we can bring other people along.
What else do you have to do? You gotta just start investing. Welcome to the $1 Million Challenge.
So 2023 is starting off with a bang. You guys see this car right here? This is the rental vehicle that I'm going to be managing for a client. And he purchased 2 vehicles, and this is the first one that I'm taking care of. So I'm basically going to be managing this car for a client, and it's for 35% of the net revenue. So what if he makes money, I make money. If I make money, you know, everybody's good. I'm not the type of person that I like debt. I don't like debt. I don't like owing too many people. I don't like feeling like I owe too many people, especially, you know, banks. So this year, the first 6 months is to pay off the previous cars, and hopefully be able to get another 6 of my own in addition. So, you know, the goal is 50. We're pushing to 50. You're gonna be in multiple states. That's the name of the game. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. Let me show you the next vehicle. So this is the second vehicle that I'm managing for a client, and this is a Chevy. It's a very nice car. I'll put the link below. You can check it out. It's car number 2. Basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be managing it for a client of mine, and they are going to pay me 30% of the net revenue. Net revenue meaning after the car has been paid every month, the payment of the car. That is the only thing that comes out. So yeah, it's pretty good. I want to explore this next chapter, which is managing vehicles for other people. I really like it. Look at it. It's nice. It's a very nice compact vehicle, as you can see. Very nice. It has a lot of bells and whistles in it. It's really nice. I like it. This is the type of vehicle that can go for roughly anywhere from $49–50 per day. Very good on gas. He has EcoBoost and everything like that. So yeah, I think this vehicle is about to make a lot of money in 2023. So yeah, I'm looking to grow more by managing other people's vehicles. So if you live in the North Carolina area and you're interested in me managing your car, hit me up with my email. You'll find my email below. Hit me up. Let's do business. I'm ready to manage your vehicle. You buy it, I manage it. I take 35%. The rest is yours. 35% is pretty standard for the industry. Turo takes 35%. Lyft take 35%. DoorDash and all these people take 35%. So that is pretty standard. So yeah, hit me up. I'm down. Let's do business. Let's do business. This is a 2017 Ford Focus. Now, we've had this car on the platform for a little bit. The car has been really, really great. It's earned a pretty decent amount of money. So, the car has earned a pretty decent amount of money. As to, you know, ever since we got the vehicle. Now, this is what the car looks like. This is the kind of car that I find is perfect for tour. Hatchback is easy to clean. It's not so difficult car to drive. Most people at some point they've either owned a car like this, or they're going to own a car like this in the future. So cars like this are easy no-brainer for tour. There's a trunk space. Pretty spacious trunk space here. This can go down, and also this can come off as well. It makes everything, you know, just extremely nice. Very nice vehicle. It sits 5 people, you know. This car goes for about anywhere from 40 during the slow time, and it goes to about 55 during the busy time. Right now it has 118,000 miles. Let me put it out here for you so you can hear it. 118,000 miles. Everything is good with the car. No check engine light. pretty good car for Turo. So yeah, I just wanted to bring this series to you so you can see that, you know, I'm legit with my ish. So, you know, all the stuff that I'm doing online, I'm legit with my stuff. So, you know, get in contact with me. Let me know how I can be of service, and you know, we can make money together. So I do mean it when I say let me know how I can be of service. You know, this year I helped my clients acquire about 4 vehicles, 4 cars. And we used a combination of different things. We acquired 4 vehicles, and it will be really, really awesome for him. I'm looking forward to when he does his taxes, right? Because we acquired all these vehicles on credit, and he's gonna get to write off interest. He's gonna get to write off management fee that he pays me. He's gonna get to write off, you know, interest expense on the car. And plus, obviously, he gets a straight line depreciation, because once you have more than 4 vehicles, right, you get a straight line depreciation on your taxes that helps you depreciate the value of the car. So this is the car right here. It's a Honda, you know, very, very nice, cool sports car. And this is car number 4 in his fleet. It's the very last one. Car is so nice. Well, let me show you from the outside what it looks like from the outside. Let me show you what it also looks like here. And of course, this is how we put our lockbox right here. Put it in here. Put the keys and everything. You know. This car is 66,000 miles, so pretty cool. It's not bad. It's gonna make him some money. He rents it for about 40 to 35 per day in the area. So, you know, the car is doing really well. So I think this is a good addition to his fleet, and I think the vehicle will be amazing. One of the major things that my clients will benefit from is the management fee that he's paying me. He's gonna get to write it off. Turo charges, you can write it off. Interest payments on the car, you can write it off. And plus, he can write off the total value that he paid for the car. He can write that off over a 5-year period. For example, if he paid me, let's say if the total value of the car is $100,000, he can write off $20,000 for the cost of the car against his other income every year, right? And then he pays me management fee. He pays Turo to be on the platform, and he also pays for maintenance and all this stuff, right? By the time you factor all that stuff in, this man will be very happy when he finishes taxes this year. Now, I'm not a CPA. I just study on all these things, and I know them because I study it, right? So go ahead and go and study it yourself, so you can know and be confident that the government is on your side when you're in business. They want you to be in business. They want you to create businesses. They want you to, you know, help boost the economy. Think about it, right? Because my client has 4 vehicles that he's renting out, that means people that need a car that they need to drive to work, now they have a cheap car that they can rent, right? Because of the incentives that the government put in place, we're able to start businesses like this, and we're able to do stuff like this. So yeah, like, I have a lot to offer. So please tap in with me, tap in with my content. I'm still not full-time on YouTube because I do so many things. I do Uber and Lyft. I do my portfolio management, which is on YouTube here, right? My M1, everything. I take care of those. I do Turo. I have my own Turo fleet, right? I have a couple cars in Turo. I manage cars for other people, right? And then I also have 2 YouTube channels that I manage, right?
So there's a lot on my plate, but I'm only willing to work with people that are serious and want to make some money and be able to lower the taxes and stuff like that. We can talk, and if you're interested, please hit me up. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I appreciate you for checking out today's content. Until next time, see you later. Love you all. Bye.